Welcome back. Let's set up this problem. So we have 1,842.5 divided by 11. Alright, so first things first is we have to move our decimal point. Just goes up in the same spot because we don't have to move it anywhere else. So let's start dividing. So 1 divided by 11, that'll give us a decimal, so let's move over to the next space. 18 divided by 11. Sure, we can do that. Because 11 times 1, that multiplication, 11 times 1 is 11. So let's subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7. So let's do the next step. Bring it down. So we have 74. And let's think about that. 11 times 6 is 66, and 11 times 7 is 77. So we're going to use 6, because that'll get us the closest to 74. So 11 times 6 is 66. We subtract. And then 4 times 6, 4 minus 6, we have to borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8. And 8 divided by 11, that'll give us a decimal. So let's go to the next one, and we'll bring that down. 82. So 11 times 7 is 77, and 11 times 8 is 88. So I'm going to use 7, because again, that'll get us the closest to 82. So 11 times 7 is 77. And let's subtract. 2 minus 7, we have to borrow. So we have 12 minus 7 is 5. And we're still not done. We still have the 5 to deal with. So let's take that one, bring it down, because 5 divided by 11 is going to give us a decimal. So 55 divided by 11, perfect. That's 5. 11 times 5 gets me 55. We subtract. We're at 0. We're done. So let's rewrite our answer so we can see it better. So we have 167.5. Alright, let's move on to this word problem. Sam made bookmarks for the kids at Children's Hospital. She sold $1,696. She charges $4 for each and donates her earnings to the hospital. How many bookmarks did she sell? So the problem is telling me the price, and I need to figure out how many she sold. So let's set up our problem. She sold 1,696, and each bookmark sold for $4. So I know this is a division problem because we are trying to figure out how many bookmarks she sold at the price that she sold them for and how much she made. So now let's start dividing. Pause the video and do your work and then come back. Welcome back. So I calculated, and I hope you did too, 424. But we're not done answering the problem because we still need our sentence. So our sentence is, she sold 424 bookmarks. Nice job.